In your screen, you can see the design of an inset-fed patch antenna. Let us assign materials, ports, and boundary conditions to the patch antenna. To assign material to a part, you must first add the material to the design from the material library. To do this, select Edit Library from the Tools menu. Click Material. The Material Manager dialog box is displayed. Select the Show Material Library checkbox. The Material Manager dialog box expands to display the list of materials present in the material library. Select Copper from the material library and click Export to Design. Material copper is added. Now, scroll down in the material library and select dielectric material FR4_4.5. Click Export to Design to add the material to the design. Select the part sub from the project window. Click the cell next to the material option in the property window and then click the down arrow to select the material FR4_4.5 from the drop-down list. Similarly, assign copper as the material for all other parts such as ground, feed line, patch, and inset_primitive. For the purpose of this demonstration, this is already done for you. Now, let us create a port window to define the lump port. To do this, click the zoom button to zoom into the part feed line. Press the Shift+E key on the cord to activate the edge selection mode. Next, select the bottom edge of the feed line. Select the Create Curve from Edges option from the Modeler menu. A new part feedline_1 is created. Select feedline_1. Click the isometric button on the toolbar to fit the design on the screen. Click the zoom button to zoom into the edge of the substrate. Click the Snap All button on the toolbar. Click Sweep Sheet along vector from the Modeler menu. The query dialog box is displayed. Click the upper corner of the substrate. Click the second point to complete the operation. Now, let us create a lumped port. To do this, click the isometric button to fit the design on the screen. Click the Rotate Screen Center button on the toolbar to rotate the screen and zoom into the created port window. Select the rectangle. Click Excitations from the Solver menu. Select Assign Excitations. Click Lumped Port. The Port Definition dialog box is displayed. Click Next after choosing Feedline. Click the upper edge of the rectangle to define the starting point of the integration line and then double-click the second edge to complete the operation. Click Finish to close the Port Definition dialog box. The lumped port is created under Ports on the project window. To see the lumped port, expand Ports and select Port. Now, let us create a boundary box and assign the absorbing boundary condition to it. To do this, select Bounding Box from the Parts menu. The Bounding Box dialog box is displayed. Click the down arrow key next to the percentage offset option and choose Absolute Offset from the drop-down list. Specify 50 mm in the adjacent text field. Click OK to close the dialog box. Click the isometric button to fit the design into the screen. Press the Shift and F keys to activate the face selection mode and select the bounding box on the project window. Select Boundary Conditions from the Solver menu. Click ABC. The absorbing boundary conditions are assigned. To verify that, expand the boundary conditions on the project window.